Welcome friends. Today we are taking an Indigo flight to Bangalore from Dubai International Airport, Terminal 1. We are on the E11 Sheikh Zayed Expressway that leads us to the airport. The entertainment city is on the right now. The Metro Red Line also connects Dubai to the airport with two metro stations. We now take the exit from Sheikh Zayed onto the airport road. Some interesting facts about Dubai International. Dubai Airport is the world's busiest airport by passenger traffic. It is the sixth busiest cargo airport in the world and is also the busiest airport for Airbus A380 and B777 aircraft movements. We are approaching the terminals now. You can see the connecting bridges from the metro station. The metro goes above on an elevated way. There you can see the metro trains approaching the airport, and you can see the Terminal 1 and Terminal 3. Then we will take a turn now, and that's departures, and you can see the metro. We cross the metro's elevated and Terminal 1 onto our right. So then we arrive on Terminal 1, which all international airlines except Emirates, Qantas and Fly Dubai depart from. Right ahead you can see the metro station for Terminal 1. Aerial view of Dubai International Airport DXB. We came along the Sheikh Zayed Expressway E11, took the exit here onto the airport road, took the right turn here. There are two metro stations to the Dubai International Airport. This is Terminal 1 metro station and this is Terminal 3 metro stations. Dubai International Airport has got three terminals. Terminal 1 D Concourse, which is used by all international airlines except Emirates, Qantas and Fly Dubai, the low-cost carrier of Dubai. Terminal 3 has got three concourses. A concourse, which is specifically designed to handle the large Airbus A380 aircrafts. Concourse B here, and then the concourse C, which also have some gates to handle the Airbus 3 aircrafts. Terminal 2, which is located on the opposite side of these two terminals, can be reached only by a shuttle service and are handled by other low-cost carriers, including some of the Indian aircraft low-cost carriers like Air India Express. There are two parallel runways to this airport, runway 12R 30L and runway 12L 30R. The passengers enter through a common entrance here, and those for Terminal 3 will proceed straight, and for passengers to Terminal 1 will take the SkyTrain or the elevated people mover on to the Terminal 1D concourse. Aerial view. A quick preview follows. This video has chapters. See description for detail. Terminal 1D concourse views, duty-free restaurants. That's a duty-free shop. And the gates, departing gate to Bangalore, D5, taken from the Aero Bridge, boarding the flight to Bengaluru, in the aircraft getting ready for departure, and taxiing to the head of the runway. Awesome lift up from Dubai International, great view. And spectacular arrival at Bangalore's Kempegowda International Airport. International Terminal arrival hall views and baggage claim, and then the views of the video. We're now on the people mover system, moving towards the Terminal 1D concourse. And what you see here is the Terminal 3 C concourse, which is exclusive to Emirates Airlines, and some destinations of Fly Dubai and Qantas. This now we are in Terminal 1, and inside Terminal 1 D concourse, security, these are the check-in gates,
Terminal 1.
plenty of them for very convenient check-in. And then this is the map of Terminal 1 D concourse. And then we get some great views of the docked aircrafts in Terminal 1 and a great view of the space between Terminal 3 and Terminal 1. Terminal 1 D concourse common area where duty-free restaurants, eateries are all located. A nice area, and spend time in the comprehensive display board displaying departures of all airlines. Duty-free shops, restaurants, chocolates, confectionaries, liquor, waiting area, shopping, gifts to go back to take back home, handbags, clothes, leather items, and now proceeding to the gate. You have a travelator here in this. This is where we are traveling. A very nice reflectology spa area. Comprehensive display board. Again, here you can see the departure to Bangalore 066C096 D5 gate. That's the gates display. We are at D5 departing. That's how the gates. Thiruvananthapuram. And you know that Indigo flies to 12 destinations, Air India flies to 20 destinations, SpiceJet to 10 destinations, and within them they cover all the cities. Some unique destinations are Madurai by SpiceJet, Srinagar by Air India. Mahan Air is the private carrier of Iran. And we are now boarding for Bangalore. Indigo 6E096. And a beautiful view of the airport from the vestibule or from the aero bridge while we are boarding. Inside the aircraft and now getting ready for departure. It's a long flight, 4 hours and 15 minutes non-stop to Bangalore. And India is 1.5 hours ahead. So we should land around near about 5:30 p.m. in the evening. All set to go. That's the Indigo, another aircraft departing. The most successful low-cost carrier of India. Fueling taking place of our aircraft. Saudi Arabia's low-cost carrier Flynas. Pushback. And from now till we get onto the head of the runway, we will see the various aircrafts that are using the Terminal 1D concourse, because we are at the farthest end and we will be going in parallel with the D concourse. That's Iran's private carrier Mahan Air, and there you can see the British Airways aircraft. That's Terminal 1 D concourse. Mahan Air again, a close-up view. Now we are moving, that is Oman Air. Air Astana, Kazakhstan's airline. Virgin Atlantic, private airline of UK. Pakistan International Airline, Flynas. Egypt Air. Qatar Airways, neighboring Gulf country. And Saudi Arabian national carrier, Saudia, and then Air India. And then we cross the space. There you can see the elevated people mover system. There's the space between Terminal 1 and Terminal 3, where Emirates is marked. There you can see the elevated people mover system through which we came into the Terminal 1. There, a beautiful view of Terminal 3, wrongly marked as Terminal 1. If you want to watch Airbus 380 and 777s in operation, you must come to Dubai Airport, because Emirates has got 220 plus Airbus 380, the largest customer for Airbus 380. There you can see, this is the special sand for the Airbus 380s, which is the A concourse of Terminal 3. We are now taking a turn onto the runway for takeoff. We are taking the 12R runway, which is the closest to reach here. And then a beautiful view of a Kuwait Airways Boeing 777 taking off from the same runway that we will be using, and another Fly Dubai aircraft getting onto the runway for takeoff ahead of us. There it goes, airborne, the Kuwait Airways. Now you can see the full runway and the Fly Dubai almost at the edge of the runway taking off. On the move, beautiful hum. That's the A concourse. You can see 380s, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the A concourse, Terminal 3. Again 380s. Oh, we are now airborne. Wonderful place. Wonderful view of the desert kingdom of Dubai, the desert Emirates of Dubai. You will again see now one more metro station down below, and then yes, there it goes. Okay, now in a 4 hours time we will be landing in India's Bangalore's number 3 airport, the Kempagoda International Airport, Bengaluru. And there we are. The captain has announced the descent into Kempagoda International. "5:30 in the evening, and the evening western sun shining on the window. On the final descent to Kempagoda International, Bangalore, and we'll be using the only runway. And there you can see the NH45, the Bengaluru Hyderabad 6-lane motorway here, but subsequently a 4-lane motorway. There you can see the airport exit that people take, and down below the expressway continues towards Hyderabad.
ध्यान दीजिए, अब आप अपने मोबाइल फोन्स का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। धन्यवाद। May I have your attention please? You are free to use your mobile phones now. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Kempagoda International Airport, Bengaluru. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain has turned on the seatbelt sign. Please be careful while opening the overhead bins. Please scan your seat pockets to make sure you don't leave any personal belongings behind. For the convenience of all our passengers, we request you to double check your baggage before leaving. This will prevent the bags from getting exchanged with the
Runway just open, so not much of activity. That's the Indigo aircraft that brought us here to Bangalore from Dubai, flight 6E096. On-time departure, on-time arrival at Bangalore. Welcome to Bangalore, and now we go to immigration, baggage claim, buy duty-free stuff. If you want to buy alcohol, it's cheap here in Bangalore, and then on to your home. I hope you like this compilation. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, like and comment, and see you soon with more compilation. Thank you once again. Stay safe during this coronavirus time, and look forward to seeing you again soon.